guys, good morning. Today is November 18th. Yeah, I forgot to record some days ago. Let me wear something different. So today is Tuesday. On Saturday I came to cut some grass. Not grass, some shrubs. But I forgot to show you the video. So I'll show you the video today. So the contractors are here. They said they have to dig up the ground again because the electric company said they did something wrong. So that's why we're here again today. So they have to dig up everything that they did before the electric company can take care of it. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
Hi. So all the things they dug up here, they have to dig up again. I want to make sure they clear out this back. That's why I'm here. I need all of it to go so that when the people who come to do the service later, they'll be able to do something. Because if not, I'll have to pay somebody again. And that's part of the thing that's where so no, not concrete, I mean okay, nail. Has to go. He's on the phone, so I didn't want to disturb him.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, this is on the phone. But there's a lot. I tried to cut it myself, but yeah. Down. Boom. Let me show you some other things I did. Yeah. So all this has to go.
Yeah.
Everything has to go. I cut all this about 2 weeks ago. I came to cut all this, but it all has to go so that. Good morning. Yeah,
How are you?
Fine. I spoke with Scott yesterday, so
Okay.
he said you had to redo something. What happened?
Left the company's ridiculous.
Pico? That's a big company, yeah.
Awful.
What happened?
They want screenings on that pipe now.
Oh, what does that mean?
Let's put 12 inches of screening over the conduit.
Oh,
We already put conduit in there, so we didn't have to do screening.
oh, okay.
The guy's coming out. He'll be here any minute.
Oh, okay. So I was telling him I had to do all this myself.
Mm-hmm.
They were all on this
Mm-hmm.
fence, so I cut it. But of course, I was just using my own, what they call it, chainsaw.
Mm-hmm.
So everything has to go. I told him that stake, what they call it, the one that the surveyors. Yeah, so I'm supposed to, all this has to go. So like a rectangle.
Right, okay.
Yeah,
They've got the fence now.
yeah, the fence and the shed.
That's great.
Yeah, we had the problem, there was a skunk. Living there. So when they came, that day I was here too, and I just took a walk to the gym, and before I came back, the whole place was stinking. The whole place, everywhere. So I was wondering, after I was here, so I said, what did happen? I thought it was happened, I did something. So as I came, they told me, oh, there's a skunk there, and they couldn't continue. So they had removed everything, but they couldn't remove the, whatever was like the wooden foundation. So they said I had to call someone, like a company, to come and remove. So the skunk was somewhere? Yeah, it was there. They saw it. So immediately they opened the skunk and they started running. That's why the whole place was shaking. So I called some people. They were saying no, they can't come. So you know what I did? You know, you have Google. Google will tell you what to do.
Yeah, everything. Yeah.
So the next day I came with lemon. I took a whole lemon, blended it with water, everything. I came to pour it there. And I think it was still there because I could smell something. So then I came again. I went to Walmart, bought something. They said it's for skunks and all the animals. So I came again, sprayed it. So when they came, because it was Friday, when they came on Monday, it was no longer there. So I've been walking through. So if you can help me, before you do, because after this you're supposed to call them for grading. So before you do the grading, all this can be straight. So later, maybe in a few months, if I do the fence, I won't have to call another company to cut it. So whatever you do, this one I just cut it and put it here. So if you can help me just do everything at once, boom, boom, boom.
Okay.
Then where is the driveway going to be?
Right in the middle out front.
Is it going to be on top of the water? The water pipe?
Maybe some of it.
Oh, okay. But it doesn't matter. Oh, okay. I was worried. When I came, I told Scott that this had caved in, although I knew it was just settling.
Yeah.
But I just wanted you to know. I think after the rain, it caved in.
Yeah, that's normal.
Yes. So it's normal.
That's a deep pipe.
Okay.
We have that down in the ground
Okay.
6 feet through here so we can clear the driveway.
Okay.
We have to cut some of this off yet.
Okay. So everything will be fine. So I just told him, yeah, we're getting ready. So it doesn't matter that this place looks like a hole and all that. Everything is okay. Okay.
Yep.
So you already had this.
Yeah, that's done.
Oh, okay. You put whatever they want on it.
Not yet. The guy's coming out to look at it.
Okay.
I
Okay.
can't believe we put the pipe in there to eliminate the screening.
Okay.
Now they say no, it doesn't matter. We want screenings on top of the pipe anyway.
Oh.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I have to go to work. I just said let me come here quickly and see what's going on. Okay.
Yep.
So thank you. So after that, what's the next step after this?
Well, get all the grading done out back and get that cleaned up.
Yeah.
Work our way out front for the grading.
Okay.
And then do whatever they want us to do here.
Okay.
Backfill this and then grade this off. Cut this down a little bit.
Okay.
And then put the stone down for the driveway.
Okay. All today?
Probably not today.
Oh, okay.
I don't think we'll get that far today.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that thing too, the settling, all that place settled too. You see that it came.
Yeah, we'll clean that up down through there.
You make it. Okay. And then this is going to be left like this.
That's right.
So
We'll
this
see
is.
what it ends up. I'm going to cut this down, so it might end up a
Okay.
little better, but I'll cut it off wherever we stop.
Okay. So, okay. Yeah. And if you want, you can cut this off, this whole place, so that everything is clean.
We can leave it there, you say, or take it?
No, take it.
Yeah.
Take everything. I was just trying to, because this place, there was a big tree here.
Yep.
Grown into the thing. I had to cut everything. Then I called the guy, told him I was going to go into his yard to remove everything. So everything that I removed, that's where you see, that's what I put over there.
Yeah.
So I did it. That was like 2 weeks ago. This other one at the back, I did that last weekend. So I've been working, trying to make it look nice.
Close now, we're close. We just have to get this electric. I cannot believe that they're making us put the screenings. The pipe that eliminates that. I just don't understand it.
Everybody.
The company, they have.
But they are big, Pico.
They're awful. They're very hard to get along with for this kind of work. They are.
Yeah.
They're awful. Yeah, we had enough of trouble here already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they put these two for us.
Yeah.
These two poles.
Yeah, they did that so long ago.
Yeah.
And now they're taking forever to come back and put the wire in. So, that's kind of working. Got our hands full with that.
So, but they're going to give us a meter, isn't it?
They were supposed to do it on Friday.
Aqua already sent me a bill. I said, I haven't even used it. Yeah, I don't know what
the water?
No, I think the bill is for being a customer. Because the water use is zero.
Set up the
But
account.
I still got like $5 something.
Yeah, minimum. Right.
They just.
Yeah.
Now they're happy. They're sending me a bill.
Right. Wow. Wow.
But it's good. It's good. It's coming along. We've been patient this long, so everything will be fine.
Yeah. Well, we appreciate the patience. We've just had. This has been an extremely challenging project. We did a lot, like all the utilities here. It's just been really difficult. The water, sewer, and electric. Now the electric's being really difficult. I didn't anticipate that. I thought the electric would have been done months and months ago. But Pico, we deal with a lot of different companies. Pico's the worst one.
Oh, really?
The worst.
Worse than Aqua? Aqua was the water.
Yeah, worse than Aqua. Yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh, I didn't know
But they
that.
came just for time frame. The time.
Oh, okay.
They're really, and now they have these regulations. Like, I've done this for a long time, and we've never ever put conduit and screenings in the ground. That's absurd. I don't know. I'm trying
sometimes it's just whoever the manager is when you go in.
Yeah, and they never said that. We did this pipe. This pipe's been in the ground for what?
Yeah, for a long time.
Months?
Yeah.
I don't know, 4, 5, 6 months. I don't know how long.
Yeah.
And now that they go to do this, they tell us it's wrong. It's been here how long? And they knew about it.
Yeah.
They knew about when we put it in. Yeah, it's very difficult.
So thanks for everything.
Okay, no problem. Thank
so
you.
we hope by the time I come next.
I'm sure Scott will give you a call, let you know what's going on.
Okay.
So.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, bye. Okay, guys, that's how far for today. Maybe next time I come, I'll show you what we've done inside. So, thanks. Bye. And as I told you, I'm uploading this to a different channel. So, stay tuned. Bye.